Hello guys, today I am going to show you LuaVirtualBox. This is my custom obfuscator for Lua and Luau. First, I am showing you the test script. As you can see, the entered password is wrong. I will show you the content of the Lua file. It is a heavy 1 megabyte file. It has 3 virtual machines embedded. Now I will show you the usage. First, grab your script. Secondly, head over to the FireflyProtector website, which is linked in the description. You will have to log in to use this obfuscator. Paste your script, select the preset, which suits you best, and click on Obfuscate. Note, we never store your scripts on the server. They are deleted upon successful obfuscation. For security reasons, this is only a web version, and the obfuscator will remain closed source. Thanks for watching. Feel free to join the Discord server or subscribe to my channel.